Hello guys and welcome back. So in this video we will start from where we have left in our previous video. So it is mandatory to watch all my videos in a series. So let's say we do a git status and see that index.html file is modified. We can't remember exactly what we changed. An easy way to see what we have changed is we need to say git diff followed by file name. This is going to show us the file difference. So make sure you follow git diff by your file name. So as you can see, there is plus screen symbol. If we have deleted something based on our previous version of index.html file, it will be red minus sign followed by whatever we have deleted. There is one more type in it. Say for example, if you wanted to see all the files at once, so instead of saying git diff file name, you just have to say dot and it will list all the changes. So that's the only difference if you use dot or if you use the file name. Uh, what I have seen in most of the cases is if there's like so many changes that you have done, so it gets cluttered pretty quickly. So I typically like to see file difference one at a time. So it's all depending on you, how you feel or how you wanted to view the git differences. Uh, we'll keep it short this video, and I guess now you understand how if you wanted to see any file changes or if you forgot, so nothing to worry, you can always use git diff. Thank you for watching this video, guys.